free. So
Uh, I think you should be able to find your way out, right?
yes.
It's easy. So I'm
Yes, sir.
sorry.
All right. God bless. I'll talk to you
Thank
soon.
you. Have a good one.
You too.
Drive safely. Miss Munoz, you there?
Yes, madam.
All
Can
right,
you hear me?
give me 1 second. Do. All right. It's your turn or mine or whose?
Mine.
Okay. I didn't know if you wanted me to go again because you had went twice.
That's fine. I can go be. I can be
Okay,
swift.
thank you. Because I'm kind of not prepared. I was doing this thing
Yes, I
with this
know.
guy in the sunroom.
No
And you're
worries.
quicker than me anyway.
Okay, everybody. I hope everybody had a successful trading day. What's up? As you can see from the graphs outlining the screen, it was kind of a down day. Not really moved that much.
Ah,
0.27%, 0.07, 0.13. And 0.45. I guess the Russell 2K was more dramatic than everybody else. It did have a comeback towards 2 p.m. From the heat map index here. You can see that Softy and NVDA were the most dramatic. They went down negative 1.55, Softy 1%.
Canela wants to
On
say hola.
who?
Nelita.
Hola
Say hi,
Canela.
Canela.
Hola Canela.
Say hi, little
Apple.
girl.
Hi Canela. Apple did well, almost 1%. Meta did fantastical at the end. And of course, Tesla is on a home run.
What did I tell
Also,
you about NVDA? What did we say yesterday?
tankety tank fest. Were
Tank,
you,
tank, 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 tank. And it did tank. It may have come back up, but it was tanking.
did you get
Hello?
in?
Hello? Oh.
Left my phone here.
Oh, thank
Did you get in on your NVDA?
No, I didn't. I did Tesla today. And
Okay.
I by the time I had looked to do NVDA, it was already down. It was like, it was already gone down. And I didn't want to jump in. I could have jumped in halfway and it probably would have continued. But sometimes you miss some, sometimes you lose some. But Tesla was good to me today.
Yes, it did fabulous. Tesla 2.86%. Meta also did fabulous. So, and utilities also didn't do well. If you guys notice, also one to look out for the next couple of days is XOM and CVX, guys. So you guys can put that on your notes to be on the lookout for that. So it's probably gonna do some good
XOM, I
comebacks.
don't want to buy it until it gets, I wanted to get down to 100.
That's
I
up to
know it's
you.
gonna go up, but
I'm just saying, it's okay. So based on this list here, Roku, Chewy. So now Chewy's starting to go back up, of course. Sam, $222.35. Fresh Bet is at
that
$54.
loco, I don't talk about you. It's at 38, so it went down.
Tesla, as we had mentioned, it did a breakout on this, and it's probably going to continue to that 500. It's going to probably get there, and then it's going to tank, tank, tank.
Can we look a
Um,
quick second at the 1 minute for Tesla? I just want to see if it continued to go up. Because zoom it in a little bit. I just want to see. Oh, it did continue to go. All right, never mind. Keep it.
it
All
was up all day. You can see based on this VWAP was up all day. It was a
right.
really, it was very strong. Car is on the list from yesterday of notes.
Mm-hmm.
Meta did fantastical. It was just very good long.
It did go down though in the beginning.
Meta,
Yes.
not really.
Yeah, it kind of did
It stayed
too.
flat, but for them, it went up. It stayed kind of flat, and then it went back up.
That's a good amount. It's like at least like $4, $4 or
Okay.
$5.
Intel still did, like I said, then it went back up at the end of the
Yeah,
dia.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Intel did well today.
I would have hoped
Let's
people would get out once they start coming back up
ASML.
though.
We haven't looked at this biz notch in a long time, and
Yeah,
it
we
looks
we
like it's
we're
up in
too
the
heavy.
sky.
We got NVIDIA, AMD, all these other crazy things.
This
So
thing is $874.50. It looks like it's gonna, maybe we'll go back to 1,000. I had mentioned XOM. It's 114.68. It looks like it did little breakout today. It's gonna start going up. It was just a beautiful long. The opportunity was obviously at the beginning of the day at 10 o'clock, and it just zoomed up there like a storm. Starbucks, we don't really trade that, but it was very meta-ish, where it was kind of flat and then it started to pick up. Amazoni, the opposite sort of, where it went down, up, and then it stayed flat. Tarjay, this is on Skid Row, and it's going to continue, and it'll probably get to death row. At some point, it'll get to death row. Sana, looks like a hanger today at the end of the dia, so there might be a possibility of it going down maybe mañana.
did you get your option for it?
I did not see a till right now.
Okay.
You can see that it skyrocketed up at the beginning. So it was really strong and then it turned around. EBC, up there at 1740. It's been doing really good. The Bancos, Bank of America also at 50.70. It's been up there. It's really, really high from here to here, 34 to 50. That's a lot of dinero right there if you were in Bank of America since April. Let's look at those losers and then I gotta go. So the losers, not surprised by these losers because this thing has been going on a rampage. Open. It looks like it's starting to turn around back to reality. It got to $10 as we had mentioned. If everybody
I'm
got,
gonna put that on the notes for option. Look at.
yes, ma'am. You can see that people got squozen out. Basically, what this is telling me is like all the people that were here, the market makers were like, well, we're gonna F you up, mofos. Let's squeeze them out. And then a lot of people got out. Obviously, all these people that got squozen now, as soon as they hit the top and they got out, it started to go down. You can see it's a very obvious hanger. Um, it's a very obvious hanger, and it's probably going to go back down to earth to 412 at least for a long time. Before then, it goes back to $1. So all the people that were squozen, you should have gone long, and that's it. Ford, same deal here. There's a beautiful hanger on the weekly. It's on hard buy. It did a jump. So people who had the opportunity of being long should have taken their money and run. Peloton, let's hope that it continues this trajectory of downwardness, but it likes to do this cracker a lot. And let's see, hopefully it gets back down there at $2 at one point, but it's probably going to take forever because I have it, of course, but that's how it is. Dollar Tree is not doing well. It's been going down, and I think it's going to get to 85 at this point. It already did kind of a flat bottom breakdown from here. It's already kind of another step here.
So you're saying my contract's gonna be worth nothing?
I don't know what I'm saying. That's what it looks like to me.
It looks like you're
So,
right.
on the weekly, it looks like it turned around and probably is going to hit this average at 87.40. So I think it's probably going to get back down to earth here at $80. So be on the lookout for that, folks, and be careful. NVDA, Miss Green had predicted this very good. Also on the weekly is a little hanger there. And it's gonna probably continue. Maybe. Let's see what happens because this thing is very strong too. It likes to do that kind of stuff. Softy. It's been kind of flat lately. So at some point it's either gonna sky it up to 550 or go down to 450. So be on the lookout for that. Palantir, let's look at this one. This is a very good stock according to the bozos, especially Trader Prad, and I believe he was right, and Cardona now. And so this thing is, it had if you had shorted this from here to here, you had did fabulous, and this was a good buying opportunity. Now starting to kind of go back up. We shall see if that continues. But that is a good stock to have, especially when it gets down to 144.40. But if it gets back down to 100, then definitely get it or so. Okay, folks, that's it. I have to get going. I hope you had a wonderful trading day. Remember to manage your risks, be on the lookout, make good decisions, have enough to trade for the next day. And if you get stressed out, just relax. Make sure you get out of the stuff that you need to get out and move on. And always have a positive attitude. I will talk to you
Manage
guys
your
later.
risk, or
Manage your risk.
or
And
you can just go broke.
you can go broke and try again. Never give up. And if you make a mistake, you made a mistake and move on. That's what you got to do. Keep it moving. Be careful, guys, tomorrow. Tomorrow's the FOMC meeting with Jerome Powell. It's going to be lots and lots of volatility. I suggest you guys maybe not trade as roughly. So let's say that you usually trade 100 shares. Maybe, do 35 or 40, not too cray because it could be bouncing back up and forth and tricking you. But uh, just be self-aware. That's all. But you guys know your best, and I will talk to you guys later. Peace
And
out. Good
don't
luck.
be afraid to take profit on these days,
Oh, always take your profit, guys. So nobody went
especially
off
on these
broke.
days.
Nobody went broke from it taking a profit. If you have a little bit of dinero, you're already positive, take your money and run. Nothing wrong with that. Peace out.
Thank you.